Guys, we got a 97 Ford here. It's an E150. I want to show you the blend door actuator. So you're having an issue with heat and air controls and all your air is blowing up there. Let me show you this. I'm on the passenger side of the vehicle. We're going to have 4 8mm. I'm going to go right up underneath the toe. I hope you can see that. There's the blend door actuator. The 4 8mm go in sideways. Right there. You got this one pigtail, which we've already unhooked. Try to get a good view up in here for you. I'm gonna have to turn the camera. So here's where your feet go. I'm gonna have to turn it this way. So let's turn it that way. You're gonna have to turn your head a little bit, I'm sorry. But there it is right there. So I got one pigtail that's already disconnected and the 4 screws that go around it. Slide it out. That's it. I see 20-minute videos online about these. This is one of the easiest blend door actuators to do. Here's the new one. Just gonna pop it back in, the 4 screws and the pigtail. I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.